Let us begin with a truth that will forever change how you see the garden's most patient predator. The praying mantis is not just an insect that folds its legs in prayer. It is one of the most extraordinary and fearsome predators on Earth, a creature that has been stalking, ambushing, and devouring its prey for over 200 million years, long before the first flowers bloomed, long before the first birds took flight, and long before the first mammals scurried beneath the feet of dinosaurs. It is a master of camouflage, capable of blending seamlessly into its surroundings, becoming invisible to both prey and predator. Its head can rotate almost 180 degrees, allowing it to survey its environment with a flexibility that rivals that of an owl. Its front legs are armed with serrated spines, forming a deadly trap that can snap shut with lightning speed, capturing prey in a fraction of a second. It is the only insect known to have stereoscopic vision, giving it the depth perception needed to strike with pinpoint accuracy. And yet, despite its fearsome reputation and its remarkable adaptations, the praying mantis is facing unprecedented threats from human activity. Its habitats are being destroyed by urbanization and agriculture, and it is often killed out of fear and misunderstanding. The praying mantis has been on this planet for over 200 million years, surviving mass extinctions that wiped out entire lineages of life. It has witnessed the rise of our species, the building of cities, and the destruction of wild places. And now, it is looking at us with those large compound eyes, and it is asking a question that we are too afraid to hear. What have you done with your world? Today we are telling the biography of the praying mantis. Not one species, but all praying mantises. The diverse, ancient, and misunderstood guardians of the gardens and grasslands. The praying mantis belongs to the order Mantodea, which includes over 2,400 species of mantises, ranging from the tiny Bulbi pygmea, which is barely longer than a fingernail, to the massive Hierogula grandis, which can grow up to 15 centimeters in length. The mantis lineage is one of the oldest insect lineages on Earth, with fossils dating back to the Jurassic period. Over 200 million years ago, the earliest mantises were likely generalist predators, feeding on a wide variety of insects and other small animals. Over millions of years, they evolved into the highly specialized ambush predators we know today. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, in a wide range of habitats, from the tropical rainforests of South America to the arid deserts of Africa, from the temperate woodlands of Europe to the grasslands of Asia. Some species, like the Chinese mantis, are found in the fields and gardens of East Asia, where they are known for their impressive size and voracious appetites. Others, like the orchid mantis, are found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, where they have evolved to mimic the appearance of orchids, luring unsuspecting pollinators to their doom. The European mantis is found in the Mediterranean region, and the Carolina mantis is found in the southern United States. Despite their wide distribution, mantis populations are under immense threat. Many species are classified as threatened or endangered, including the desert mantis of North America, which is found only in specific arid habitats, and the spiny flower mantis of Southeast Asia, which is threatened by habitat loss and the pet trade. The praying mantis is a creature of extremes, but it is also a creature of vulnerability. What defines a praying mantis? Let us start with the body, because the mantis's body is a monument to predatory perfection. Mantises have a distinctive body shape with a long, slender thorax, a triangular head, and powerful front legs that are adapted for grasping prey. The head is highly mobile, capable of rotating almost 180 degrees, allowing the mantis to survey its environment without moving its body. The compound eyes are large and well developed, providing the mantis with excellent vision and depth perception. The front legs, or raptorial legs, are armed with rows of serrated spines, which form a deadly trap that can snap shut with lightning speed, capturing prey in a fraction of a second. The legs are also covered in sensory hairs, which allow the mantis to detect the vibrations of its prey. The mantis has 2 pairs of wings, which are used for flight. But many species are flightless or rarely fly. The male mantis is often smaller than the female, and the female is known for her voracious appetite, often consuming the male during or after mating. The mantis's lifespan varies greatly depending on the species, with some species living for only a few months, while others can live for up to a year. The mantis is a creature of remarkable adaptation, but it is also a creature of fragility. Now let us talk about the mantis's daily life and social structure. Because the mantis is not the solitary creature it is often perceived to be. Mantises are generally solitary animals, spending most of their lives alone. But they do have a complex social hierarchy, with larger, more dominant individuals asserting their dominance through a series of ritualized behaviors, including displays and combat. They are primarily diurnal, active during the day, using their excellent vision to hunt. They are ambush predators, using their camouflage to blend into their surroundings and waiting patiently for prey to come within range. They will often sway gently, mimicking the movement of leaves or flowers, a behavior known as mantis dancing, which helps them avoid detection. When prey comes within range, they will strike with lightning speed, capturing it with their front legs and delivering a lethal bite. They are known to feed on a wide variety of prey, including insects, spiders, small vertebrates, and even other mantises. The mantis is a voracious predator, consuming large quantities of prey, and they are known to be cannibalistic, with females often eating males during or after mating. This behavior has been widely studied and has led to the mantis's fearsome reputation. The mantis's diet is as varied as its species. It is primarily a carnivore, feeding on a wide variety of insects including flies, grasshoppers, crickets, and caterpillars. Some larger species are also known to eat small vertebrates, including lizards, frogs, and even small birds. They are opportunistic hunters, taking whatever prey is available. Their feeding habits shape the ecosystem. By controlling insect populations, they maintain the balance of the ecosystem, preventing overpopulation and the spread of disease. They are also an important food source for a wide variety of predators, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. The mantis's role in the food web is critical, and their presence is an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Reproduction is another critical aspect of the mantis's life story, and it is a slow, deliberate process that reflects the species' vulnerability. Mantises have a relatively slow reproductive rate, with females typically laying a clutch of eggs, known as an ootheca, every 1 to 2 years. The ootheca is a foam-like structure that hardens into a protective casing, protecting the eggs from predators and the elements. The gestation period is approximately 2 to 3 months, depending on the species. The eggs will hatch into nymphs, which are small versions of the adults. The nymphs will grow and molt several times before reaching adulthood. The mantis's reproductive strategy is one of quality over quantity, with a high investment in each offspring to ensure its survival. Now let us talk about the mantis's daily struggle, because life for a mantis is a constant battle against hunger, disease, and the encroachment of humans. Mantises face a variety of natural threats, including predators like birds, reptiles, and other insects which prey on them. They also face threats from disease and parasites, which can weaken them and make them vulnerable to predation. However, the most significant threat to mantis survival is human activity. Mantises are losing their habitats to urbanization and agriculture, and they are often killed out of fear and misunderstanding. They are also captured for the pet trade, often in unsustainable numbers. The mantis's struggle is not just a biological one. It is a fight against the consequences of human activity, a fight that will determine its fate. How is the mantis useful to humans? Let us count the ways that are rarely acknowledged. First, ecosystem regulation. Mantises are the gardeners of the gardens and grasslands, controlling insect populations and maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They are also an important food source for a wide variety of predators. Second, scientific research. Mantises are a model species for studying evolution, physiology, and behavior. Their unique adaptations, including their stereoscopic vision and their raptorial legs, have provided insights into the biology of predators. Third, cultural significance. Mantises have been woven into the mythology and art of many cultures, representing patience, stillness, and the power of the predator. In some cultures, they are seen as a symbol of wisdom and contemplation. Now, what can humans learn from the mantis? First, the power of patience. Mantises wait for the perfect moment to strike, teaching us to be patient and deliberate in our actions. Second, the importance of stillness. Mantises blend into their surroundings, teaching us to be still and observant. Third, that the natural world is sacred. Mantises live in harmony with their environment. We cannot survive without the natural world. Now let us talk about conservation, because the story of the mantis is not over. It is being written now by each of us. Many mantis species are still threatened. The desert mantis is endangered, and the spiny flower mantis is critically endangered. The primary threats to mantis populations are habitat loss, climate change, and the pet trade. There are solutions. Protected areas, including national parks and wildlife reserves, can safeguard critical habitats and allow mantis populations to recover. Regulating the pet trade through international agreements can reduce the impact of collection. Education is key. People need to understand that mantises are not monsters. They are essential partners in the health of the planet. The future of the mantis depends on our choices today. And now, we come to the final truth. The mantis has been on this planet for over 200 million years. It has survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and the shifting of continents. It has witnessed the rise of our species from small, frightened mammals into global dominators. It has been captured, exploited, and pushed to the brink. And yet, it is still here, waiting in the gardens, stalking in the grasslands, and raising its young. It is looking at us with those large, compound eyes. And it is asking a question that we are too afraid to hear. What have you done with your world? We have the power to destroy the mantis. We also have the power to save it. The choice is ours. Every time we look at a mantis, we see a creature that is not so different from us. A creature that has adapted to its environment in extraordinary ways. A creature that teaches us what it means to be human. Because in the end, the mantis is not just an animal. It is a mirror. It reflects our capacity for patience, for stillness, for grief, and for hope. It shows us who we are and who we could become. So let us protect the mantis, not because it is useful, but because it is sacred. Not because it is endangered, but because it is irreplaceable. Let us give the mantis a future, not just for its sake, but for ours. Because a world without mantises is a world without wonder. A world without wisdom. A world without patience. And that is a world we do not want to live in.